There's lots of differences. Oh, that's nice.
Which one's that?
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
That one.
Oh.
No, not a drum.
It's gonna be fun, alright. Welcome to another episode of It's a Dire Thing.
Yeah, let's do
Today, huh?
Supermoto.
So, we're definitely gonna have some fun today. Alright.
There you go.
We're good? Well, that's good. At least we made it.
Yeah?
So, alright.
Get off.
Huh?
Get off.
Yeah.
Look at all of them.
All right.
What is making this pop?
Those guys are going. Those guys are going. There we go. Scaring those people. And this is where the hooliganism starts. This is kind of like, remember when we went to Biker Blocko, right?
Yeah.
So, same concept. So, Toronto Grom Squad, end of year ride. Bang.
What light is that?
And it's not going to last very long, huh?
What light is that?
It's a W. I don't. I'm not sure. Yeah, that's crazy. Whatever. We'll ride with it for a while. Just see how it goes. You didn't think you'd see so many bloody Groms in one spot, though, eh?
I'm not sure. I think there's...
I think like this is the whole Ontario region of Groms, all in one spot. Oh, it's gonna be loud. Huh? Nothing like a bunch of Groms taking over the city. Huh? I know. Well, it's kind of overwhelming, right? You see a bunch of them. Hey, you want to honk the horn? Go honk the horn. No? Okay. Ah. Bang. Huh? I know, eh? There we go. And away we go, away we go. Oh! Huh? Well, at least we're riding. Yeah, probably another couple of minutes before we get to the Forks of the Credit. So, kind of goes up here. I think this is probably Route 10 or something like that. And then from there, it kind of branches off and we'll hit a couple of side roads. few forks of the credit.
Seems like they're doing good.
Yeah, you'll see up here. It's just like one road though. It's one road that kind of goes behind a ski hill. So it's got some twistiness to it. That's the thing though, we're in Toronto, right? I mean, you have to travel at least an hour north before you get to anything remotely enjoyable.
That wasn't bad.
At least doing it with a Grom Squad makes it more enjoyable. Oh my gosh. Huh? Yeah, stand up.
Wait, I hit
Probably the foot peg.
Yeah, no, I hit the thing that holds the bike.
Kickstand, sorry.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it down.
Nice land. Alright, I thought we'd want to all be like Okay, here, go here. Woo! Alrighty, back again, back on the road. There's still some people back there, so.
Yeah.
Okay. How do you stop hitting play?
No, how do I start?
What? Okay, go. Oh, my nut! Yeah! He's coming back. They're turning around and they're going back. Whew, we survived! Survived the forks! So, okay?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, it's hot.
Well, that was the first pass down through the forks of the credit. with sage dyer. Hit the dyer ting. What is it? Oh, ice cream shop. You want ice cream and hot dogs?
No, I'm alright.
Huh?
Sounds like a good combo.
Yes. How about hot dog ice cream? No?
No.
Where's everybody? Oh, okay, everybody's over there, huh?
I'm just gonna stay here.
You're staying there?
Yeah.
Stay incognito, stay out of trouble. Alright. Don't like to cause trouble. So, alright. Well, little XT250, you did pretty good, man. Thank you. Not bad. Not bad at all. Huh? The what?
That blue one, is that like base pack?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was M109, wasn't it?
Not sure.
Yeah, like an M109. Nice. Alright, let's cut it out for now. That's it. From here, either we do Forks to credit again, then go back down on the 10 and head on home from there. So, we'll see how it goes. Peace out. Yep. Okay. Anyways, that concludes our episode of It's a Dire Thing for the Ride today. Huh? Oh, it's him.
What is he doing?
Huh? He's crazy, man. Alright, peace out. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, join us. Alright, take care. Be safe.
Yeah.